morning. I am Ms. Jyotsna, Assistant Professor of Army Institute of Education. Today, we'll be discussing how to fill CET GGSIPU form for B.Ed course and B.Ed Special Education course. So first, you have to search GGSIPU on Google. After that, this window will open, and then you have to select first option. After that, you have to go here, admission 2024 to 25. Then you can see admission brochure if you want to look the prospectus, so you can click here. And if you want to fill a form directly, then you can go here. So this is a registration window. First we have to registration ourselves. So we have to click here, new candidate registration. Okay, so these are the basic information which you really need to read before going further. After reading all, you can select I agree. And then you have to fill these informations. These are some basic information, your name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth. So after this window will open. Then you have to click here. After registration, this window will open and then you have to sign in. Here, you have to put OTP. And for OTP, you can select register email ID or register mobile number. After verifying your OTP, then this window will open. You have to go apply for UG. And then you have to go for B.Ed. Okay, for batch B.Ed, the code is 122. And for B.Ed Special Education, the code is 159. So likewise, you have to put here security pin. If you want to go for B.Ed only, then you have to fill the form from here. And if not, then you have to scroll down and CET code 159, you have to select that and then you have to put their security pin. So after that, this window will open. So you can see registration is complete, application form, qualification detail, exam center detail, contact detail, uploading documents and images, final submission, pay registration, fees. These are the steps. So we will be going one by one. First is application form. So this is the application form which you need to fill. One thing you need to focus here while filling application form is you have to select here, as you are army ward, you have to select here. If ward of Jammu Kashmir migrant, then you have to put here yes. And if army personnel, yes. Okay, this thing you have to be very carefully fill while filling. Now, in this, here you can see there are options priority 1, priority 2, priority 3. So according to your background information, you have to fill here. Okay, you have to select one option here. After filling application form, qualification window will open. This is the qualification window. After filling qualification detail, your exam center detail will be open. And then you can fill your exam center preference according to your location. After filling exam center detail, you can fill your contact detail here. This window will open. Here you have to put or upload your photograph, signature, defense certificate, and army personal certificates. After uploading your document, you can preview your final submission. After that, pay registration fee window will open, and then you can proceed for further for payment.